Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make iced tea for weight loss. We'll explore how this simple beverage can become a powerful ally in your health journey. Discover the natural benefits of various teas that help boost your metabolism and provide a satisfying, low-calorie option. Get ready to transform your daily hydration into a delicious and effective weight management tool. Choosing the right tea is crucial for maximizing weight loss benefits. Green tea, with its high catechin content, is excellent for boosting fat oxidation. Black tea offers flavonoids that may contribute to weight reduction. Don't forget herbal options like peppermint or ginger, which can support healthy digestion and overall well-being. Brewing your iced tea correctly ensures maximum flavor and benefit. For optimal results, use 1 tea bag or 1 teaspoon of loose leaf tea per 8 ounces of water. Steep green tea for 2 to 3 minutes and black tea for 3 to 5 minutes. Once brewed, allow it to cool before chilling in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. Customizing your iced tea makes it even more enjoyable and sustainable for your routine. Enhance the flavor naturally with fresh lemon slices, cucumber, or a sprig of mint. Remember to avoid artificial sweeteners. If you need a touch of sweetness, a small amount of honey or a few drops of stevia can work. This refreshing drink is a fantastic way to stay hydrated and support your weight loss goals. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.